Hi everyone! Let's go. Join us and have dinner at Fudo Restaurant. Since we are already on the third week of Ramadan, medyo busy na din sa clinic. And by the way, 1:30 a.m. na pala to and they still allowed us to dine in. And actually, wala ding taong kumakain nung nagpunta kami. Kaya ayan, sige, mag-video na lang tayo. Maganda naman kasi talaga ang place nila. Quick dinner lang pala to guys with our friends right after work. Eye-catching talaga nung Japanese theme wallpaper nila dito, no? Tara na! Check natin yung menu nila. Na-try na din namin before yung ibang menu nila like the kimchi rice, dynamite shrimp, and yung sushi plate. So, tignan natin kung ano naman ang matatry natin today. So, ayan na nga, dumating na yung order natin. Chicken steamed buns, and itong sushi plate, beef teriyaki, at syempre, takoyaki. Meron ding chicken tonkatsu, at masarap nga pala tong crab salad nila. And for me, may garlic rice ako. At itong stir-fried tofu. So, ayun ang dinner namin for today. Nasa 220 reals, good for 4 persons na. Till next vlog, bye!